Setting the play. Here's number 4 of Campo, passing by number 8. Keeping Sabasana and number 10. And the ball goes to same ball. And no good. Rebound Aron. No good again. Aron the rebound. 2 points. Number 6. And number 27. Still by number 10. Grab it out. Here's number 21. Grab it again. Go. Number 10 again. Grab here. To number 21. On the side. Go. Rebound. Number 21 again. 2 points. 2-1. And number 9. There's number 9, pass to number 10. On the 3, back! 2 points. One number. Number 1. Line violation. Ball goes back on Fali. Score 68-36 in favor of Fali. And here's number 10 on the 3, no good. And number 10 on the right to number 21. Stopping by number. And the ball goes to Fali. Inbound by number 1 to number 27. Back to number 1. And number 9 on the load on the side, pass to number 9. 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound on number 9. 2 points. Score 70-36. In favor pa rin of Barney. Campo number 4. Number 4. Here, 15 seconds. To number 1. To number 9. Back pass to number 9 again. Easy 2 points by number 9. Inbound by number 10. Throwing to number 4 of Campo. It's still by number 1. Number 1. And the whistle. Bust it down. Who's forward? Number 21. Personal foul by number 29. And there's another 21. Another one previous shot. No good. Still by number 1. 2 points. And number 21. And on the shot, no. And the ball goes to Palmerston North. To number 10. Easily one shot by number 2. Number 10, sorry. 2 points for you. And number 4 on Campo to number 29. To number 10, Gravilo. And now the rebound goes to number 10 to number 1. And number 9 on the 3. Go. And here's number 10. Two points by number 6. 78-28. Number 27 is screened by number 10 and number 27, 2 points, 2-7. And 21. No. Number 1. And number 9. Layup shot. No good. 25.
Mga tumatakbo.
2 points by number 25.
Lahat ng pag-asa.
9 seconds for the last half of the game. And number 14. And that's the end of the first game. And we invite Thomas Sermon to score by 81-43. And congratulations sa ating Makati for showing a sportsmanship. Ang ating next game, Elite versus Defense. Maxi pasa tayo, meron kayo 2 minutes para sa inyong warm-up.